What's good, y'all? Tone my gym box in the building, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. This topic right here, y'all gonna learn a lot right here because a lot of people ask me, yo, what do you eat? What did you eat? You know what I mean? Look, when I get strict on my diet and I prep, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what I eat, and it's all about discipline. It's in the brain, y'all. So when I tell y'all what I eat, you gonna be like, man, you eat that? Oh, come on, man. I want something different sometimes. Something. Hey, look, let me tell y'all something. Sometimes you have to eat the same thing over and over and over and over again, man. I hate to say it. Especially if your budget, if you want a budget. If you're not on a budget, you can do all that fancy stuff and you can see all that online. But anyways, we about to get to it right now. What I eat when I get on a strict diet, I eat every 4 hours. Alright, so let's say that I start eating at 8 in the morning, right? That'll be my first meal. This is me, y'all. This is how, if you want to look like me or look better than me, or this is for males, females, you want your body to look better than mine, or you want yours to look similar to mine, this is what you got to eat all the time, because this is what I did. And I know that everyone's body is different. Everybody different, but still, it works, all right? 8 in the morning, chicken breast and broccoli. Yeah, one big chicken breast. I'm trying to be just as blunt as possible. One big chicken breast and 2 scoops of broccoli. All right, 8 in the morning. Then I eat another 4 hours after that. That's 12 noon. Now we at 12 noon. That's basically when you have lunch anyway. Then I eat chicken breast, one chicken breast, and some broccoli. Yeah. That's right. And you know, most of the time, around 2-3 o'clock, I don't even eat nothing. I just take my pre-workout because I'm getting ready to work out. Boom. I take my pre-workout. Boom. Do my thing about 2 o'clock. Stay in the gym for about an hour or two. That's what I do now. 4 o'clock, eat again. Guess what I eat, y'all? Yep, you said it right. Chicken breast, broccoli. That's what I said. All right, now the last meal of the day. That's 3 meals right there now. It's three meals. After that now, 8 o'clock p.m. You could do what you know, sometimes you want something different at night, you know what I mean? If you got a family or you got a chick, or if you know you got a man, whatever, that goes to the female. You got a man, you know, you might want something different. So you could switch it up and eat another type of chicken or or some fish. Alright, and a different type of vegetable. Me personally, I only eat I got 2 vegetables that I eat on the regular that I love all the time because it never fails. Broccoli and asparagus. Yeah. Them my 2. You can't go wrong with neither one of them 2. You can't. I'm telling y'all right now. I'm giving y'all game. If y'all don't do this, it's your fault. I'm telling you, I should be getting paid to be saying this. I'm telling y'all. Do this for 30 to 90 days. Yeah, I said it. All right, and on the weekend, I know y'all want to splurge a little bit. If you drink a little bit. Don't overdo it. If you smoke a little. Don't overdo it. I ain't telling you to, but if that's your habit, you do that. All right, and if you want some carbs, eat you like a baked potato, sweet potato. You go to a restaurant, eat you the regular. It's chicken or fish or greens or anything. Eat that. You feel me? You can add a baked potato or something. I need some carbs. I'm feeling weak. Because your body is, like I said on the last video, your body's going to act crazy. So you might want a little bit of carbs, but not much. Don't overdo it. And then on Sunday, go back to the routine. Prep on Sunday so you can have your food all week. Even if you work at night, there's no excuse, y'all. I'm telling y'all, look, you could even switch it up to 8 in the morning. Fish. Asparagus. 12 noon, fish, asparagus. 4 o'clock, you can do chicken and greens. What? Chicken? Nothing fried, y'all. No fried fish, no fried chicken. No, everything baked or boiled. All right. So you cannot go wrong with chicken, any type of chicken, and basically any type of fish. Cause those two meats are the best for you. Can eat those every single day. Greens, you can't go wrong with broccoli and definitely asparagus. Those the main two greens. Now you still eat, there's other type of greens, but that's what I prefer. That's what I require. Like, yo, for real. Those two, you can't go wrong with it. I'm telling y'all what to do every 4 hours. If you want to do 2 hours, eat you a meal. 8 in the morning. Oh, I'm hungry. 10 noon. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Or get you some rice cakes. Quakers, rice cakes, man. They carbs now. They carbs. But you can eat like 8 for example, 8 in the morning, right? Chicken and greens. Let's say if you ate that 10 in the morning, you like, man, I'm not hungry. I'm kind of hungry. Because your body got to get used to the routine. Once your body get used to the routine, you're not going to be that hungry. Trust me, because it seems like, I mean, you eating all the time. I'm telling you, ain't going to be hungry. I'm telling y'all. 8 in the morning, chicken, greens. 10 in the morning, oh, I'm hungry. Eat you 1 rice cake, man. You can get a sweet chocolate rice cake. I mean, you can still enjoy your life. I'm telling you, but you have to sacrifice and discipline. You got anything you do in life, it's something new. You gotta sacrifice. You gotta be disciplined, and you gotta be real to yourself. But I'm telling y'all, you need to do this every single day, Monday through Sunday. Like I said, you can splurge 1 day out of the week, and I would say splurge on a Friday or a Saturday. Pick you a day to splurge. Basically, eat what you want, and then the rest of the days, you gotta go by the schedule what you eat. All right, so you can't go wrong with chicken, fish, greens. If you want some fruit, you eat some fruit. Fish, greens, 8 in the morning. I'm just, for example, you can do something different, but this is what I did to get my body. What you seen on the all them pictures and stuff, like right now on my joints, that's what I did to get my body like that. That's what I'm telling y'all, cause people want to know what I ate, what can I eat. I'm telling y'all right now, do it. If you got any questions, eggs is good too in the morning. Eggs. I used to eat like 8 eggs in the morning. I used to eat like 8 eggs. Boom. And go get them. You can go ahead and scramble them. Or if you want to put them in a cup and get it in, you can get it in. Whatever you want to do. But I'm giving y'all game. Once you do the routine and keep doing it over and over and over and over, 30 to 90 days, watch how your body change, man. I'm telling y'all, it works. Naturally too. This ain't no drugs, none of that. We ain't getting jacked, none of that. Even though I like that word jack, but this ain't jack. This is natural. You want to protect the body. You gotta eat those. You gotta eat what I'm telling y'all, and you can switch it up. If y'all got anything else, if y'all want to know anything else about, just let me know. Even if you got a question about something to eat, well, can I eat this or can I eat that? I can tell you. But I'm giving y'all my meal prep. That's my meal prep that I do every single. When I get strict now, I ain't really strict, but when I get strict on myself, I do that every single day. So y'all already know what it is, man. Leave a comment, subscribe, like. I'm in the building. You got any? I'm telling y'all, do it. Oh my God, pray about it and do it. I'm out.